If you've been browsing for bold, eye-catching streetwear and came across TokyoCanvas.com, you're probably asking the big question: is this store legit or just another online trap dressed in cool graphics? Tokyo Canvas claims to specialize in Japanese street culture-inspired apparel, offering everything from edgy pop art hoodies to meme-style tees and trendy crop tops. At first glance, the website looks professionally designed, and their presence on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook seems active, with regular posts, product drops, and brand engagement that could easily build trust with first-time visitors. They also provide multiple customer support options, including both email and live chat, which gives the impression that they care about user experience. However, once you dig a little deeper, some serious concerns start to show. For example, while the brand markets itself as being around since 2020, their domain was only registered in January 2025, a major inconsistency that raises questions about their backstory. On top of that, you won't find any independent reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or YouTube. Instead, the only feedback available is on their own site, and it's all overly positive, which can seem curated or even fake. With no authentic third-party customer experiences to back up their claims, it becomes difficult to fully trust what you see. So while Tokyo Canvas does put in the effort to appear like a trendy, community-driven brand, the lack of transparency, the questionable timeline, and the absence of real user reviews make it feel risky. It's not outright a scam, but it's definitely not a store you should trust blindly. If you're planning to shop there, be cautious because sometimes the best-looking stores hide the biggest red flags.